If you want to support me here on this side, please just go here on this plus and here go on the ref code and just type guys Magomedovic like this. Click on use code and you will help me a lot and you will also receive $1 free. Let's get back to the video. Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Like we can see guys, today here we are on this side. So yeah, before we start, if you want to support me, please check the link in the pinned comment and check link in the description of this video. And just go here, go on the ref code and type like this, Magomedovic, hit use code and you will help me a lot. So yeah, guys, today we have around $6,000, so let's go first with a nice case. Let's open 3 of these knife cases, $200, and let's try to do something really good. Got knife Damascus steel. Alright. How much is it? 250. Let's open, okay, we can't open this one. Let's open the classified case. Let's open 3 of these cases. Alright, come on. We almost got this agent. It's really good. $21, nice. Let's open what we can open. Guys. Let's open the ultra case. $50. Alright. Nova Hyper Beast. That's not really bad, but it can be a little bit better. Let's open 2 of these cases for $100. Come on. Let's pull a knife. Guys. Come on. Let's pull a knife, please. Let's pull a knife. 48, alright. Let's open the, what we can open. Let's open the gold 2 cases. Let's open 3 of these cases. We need to pull a knife today. We need to pull a really nice knife today. Come on. Save it off. Tracker, 140. Let's open what we can open. Let's open 3 of this crystal case. Today we need to do something really nice. Come on. SG 553. Alright. Let's open dev case. Let's open 3 of these dev cases. $60. Let's go. Come on. See. Alright. $14. Let's open the Asimov case. $900. Let's go. Scar 20, Bloodsport. Alright. $48. Let's open Hyper, one of these Hyper cases. Okay. We got Nova Hyper Beast again. Alright. Let's open right now. Let's go down and let's open the Rocky case. Rocky Balboa. Let's go. Let's open this Rocky case. I really like this case, guys. Alright. Let's open this one. Right, we got this. Let's open also the Dragon. Let's open 4 of these Dragon case. And after this case, we will go to the upgrade section. If we pull a knife here, it will be really awesome. Come on, let's see. $7. Let's go to the upgrade section. Let's add this one. Let's go with 10x. Let's pull this one, right side. Alright, we almost got this. Let's pull again like that. Let's get this knife. Come on, 9% of getting it. Come on. Oof, we didn't get it. Alright, let's go again like this. Let's get this knife. Okay, we can't really get this knife, but we can try to get, wait. We can try to get this Navaya knife, right? Come on. Ooh, almost, guys. It was so near. It was literally so near. Alright, let's open it like this. Let's get this Huntsman knife, electronic. Almost, alright. That's not really, we weren't that lucky. Let's open like this. 9% of getting it. Come on. Ooh, nice. We got this Shadow Daggers, $200. That's really good. Let's add again like this. Let's get this one, Bayonet Lore. Imagine if we pull this. Stop. Oh my god. Second time in a row we pulled Bayonet Lore. Second time in a row, guys. Oh my god. Let's try again. Imagine if we pull again. 9% of getting it. Imagine if we pull again. No way. Alright, that was really insane, guys. Alright, let's set this one like this. Let's go with 5x. This one in the right side. Oh, almost got it. Almost got it, guys. Alright. Let's also add this one, this one, this one. And let's get this Kalash bot sport. No, almost got it. Alright. What we can do here? We can maybe try like this with 2x. And let's get this one. Let's go with the right side. 45% of charity. Let's get this moto gloss. Stop. No, we lost it, guys. We lost it. Alright, let's try again. Let's try again. Okay? Let's try again with 2x. And let's get this Talon Knife Doppler. Alright, let's also add a little bit of the balance. Let's add around 150 dollars, and let's get it on the right side. 86% chance of getting it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice, we got this Talon Knife Doppler, guys. Nice. Today was really a good day, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, guys, so that was it for this video. If you want to support me, please check the link in the description and check the pinned comment. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave a share, and I will see you to the next video. So, bye bye.